Almost Home is a contemporary novel by American author Joan Bauer. Set largely in the inner city of Chicago, Illinois, it follows 12-year-old Sugar Mae Cole as she tries to escape poverty in Missouri following the death of her grandfather. With her father, a compulsive gambler, gone and the family plunged into homelessness, Sugar and her mother moved to Chicago to begin anew. There, they quickly discover that economic hardship and social immobility are not easily left behind. Together, Sugar and her mother strive to plan for a better future, finding unexpected support and affection from ordinary people around them. Like Bauer's other works, Almost Home centers on a young protagonist and explores themes of family struggle, human resilience, and the power of community. The story opens as Sugar and her mother, Reba, grieve the loss of Sugar's grandfather, a kind and hardworking man whose wisdom and stability had been a cornerstone for the family. In contrast, Sugar's father is largely absent, known to her only as Mr. Leland. When he abandons them, taking their remaining savings, Sugar and Reba face immediate financial hardship. One small moment of fortune arrives when a little girl gives Sugar a puppy named Shush, imploring her to take him before her abusive father turns him over to a shelter. Despite these fleeting sparks of hope, they're soon forced to leave the home Sugar's grandfather had once helped them by, stepping into homelessness for the first time. Sugar and Reba navigate life without a home by moving between shelters and occasionally sleeping in parks when space is unavailable. Reba's depression deepens, leaving her unable to care for Sugar and ultimately resulting in a stay at a mental health clinic. Both struggle to maintain optimism during this turbulent period. Reba clings to the hope that Mr. Leland will return to rescue them, while Sugar leans on her mother's lesson that gratitude and perseverance can help one endure even the harshest moments. Eventually, Sugar moves into a shelter for homeless children. Upon settling permanently in Chicago, she enters foster care, taking Shush with her, and is placed with a caring couple, Lexie and Mac, who live in a comfortable neighborhood. At her new school, Sugar meets Mr. Bennett, a teacher who encourages her to explore writing as a tool for self-expression and emotional healing. Through poetry, she processes her experiences with family and homelessness, often reflecting on Mr. Leland as an example of selfish adulthood. Writing helps Sugar recognize that some children must mature faster than others. With resilience and street-smart pragmatism, she continues to navigate the challenges of her accelerated growth. Throughout Sugar's journey, Lexie and Mac provide support while acknowledging that no parents can solve every problem. By the end of Almost Home, Sugar recognizes the strength and optimism she has gained since her grandfather's death. She attributes much of her growth to her mother, who overcomes her mental illness to impart crucial lessons about perseverance. The novel ultimately conveys that even those facing the greatest struggles retain dignity, potential, and worth, and that solidarity can empower people to rise above adversity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe.